Seal is tight. We are going to unbox now. This is RealMe1 by Oppo.
This is RealMe, not Redmi. For your kind information.
Ta-dang!
Ta-da-da-da-da-da.
It is quite tight. Here we go. Thank God there was not a soft. This is a cover by Realme. We'll see it later. This one here is a Realme 6GB 128GB. Oh, it doesn't look like it is shown in the ads. It said it was like a diamond structure, but it's flat. I thought it was some kind of diamond structure. But anyway, now we are going to switch power on the Realme. In the box there is a charger, USB, but no earphone. Okay, thank you for the video.